Introducing the Norwood Lumber Pro HD36. Whether you're a commercial sawyer looking to build a business and earn a good income, or a private woodlot owner looking to build your dream projects, the Lumber Pro HD36 is engineered big enough, rugged enough, and productive enough to handle it. The Lumber Pro handles logs 36 inches in diameter and saws beams and boards a full 28 inches wide. Standard, the Lumber Pro mills logs 13 feet long. Add extension sections to saw logs of any length, even 50-foot beams for post and beam homes. The Lumber Pro cuts through hardwoods and softwoods alike. Boards come off the mill so smooth, it gives the term rough-sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The commercial-grade 16-horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin is standard, or choose the more powerful optional 23 horsepower. A 240-volt electric motor is also available. The patented log rests automatically lock in place. Sight scales take the guesswork out of adjusting your rests. Rollers are provided for assisted log rolling, and the stops reposition quickly to act as board and cant stops. Norwood owners can now easily access the log rests from the operator's side of the mill using Norwood's patented log rest actuators. Using the log rest actuators, the operator no longer needs to reach over the log to set the log rests. Simple to operate, the actuators allow for accurate adjustment up or down. Norwood is the only company that offers this time-saving device. Cross bunks are designed narrow. Stainless steel bunk caps prevent staining of cants and boards. Logs and beams are securely clamped with the Lumber Pro's heavy-duty cam-operated log dogs. Most logs are not perfectly round or straight, and therefore often have a mind of their own when rotating and clamping them. Norwood's patented automatic dog assists tame those kind of logs by automatically following the log's contours and then holding the log firmly exactly where you want it. This streamlines the typical two-handed, two-step dogging process into a smooth, one-step system. In many cases, a single auto dog will sufficiently hold the log securely, making secondary clamping unnecessary. Use 2 auto dog assists simultaneously for 100% automatic dogging. Norwood is the only company that offers this convenient feature. Some folks often put down the log deck of the Lumber Pro. Some say it's made of aluminum and therefore not strong. Others say it looks like Swiss cheese. So, to prove a point, we removed all normal center supports and suspended the log deck only at each end. We then loaded logs weighing almost 10,000 pounds across the deck where there were no supports. This, of course, puts much more strain onto the structure than normal. The Lumber Pro's log deck is double-layered galvanized steel with engineered strengthening debossments. These debossments are the multiple concave structures shaped right into each layer. This enables both layers to precisely locate and nest together. A patented series of flanged bolts firmly lock them in place to give the structure greater strength and torsional stability than ordinary box beam type construction. With almost 5 tons loaded across the deck, with center supports removed, the total weight was much more than the biggest log you could ever mill. Even under these extreme conditions, downward deflection was only 1/4 of an inch. When the logs were removed, the deck returned to normal. So, to the naysayers, point made. The Lumber Pro enables fast cycle times and is easy to operate. Just lower the saw head, activate the operator's control, and guide the blade through the cut. The Lumber Pro is so fast, so efficient, it's hard to call it a manual mill. The Lumber Pro's single-action, multifunction operator's control simultaneously throttles up the engine, engages the clutch, and turns on the water loop. Releasing the control automatically stops these functions. All the controls terminate at the operator station. The control handle is adjustable to suit various heights, making for a comfortable working position too. The patented self-locking saw head does away with time-consuming operator functions. Simply set your depth of cut and mill. Each rotation of the saw head handle enables rapid setting for 1-inch boards. For milling 1-inch boards, there is simply no faster system. To mill other board thicknesses, refer to the quarter scale with built-in kerf allowance. Also available are woodworkers' specialty scales, and metric denomination table is included standard. The self-locking blade guide supports the blade and speeds operating times. Simply lift, slide, and lock. For international safety compliance, the unused portion of the blade is automatically shielded. The Lumber Pro's DuraGuide ceramic blade guides give full 3-sided blade support for maximum stability. The Norwood blade guides are CNC machined from aluminum billet material to form a precision housing that hold the blade guide ceramics. These zirconium-strengthened alumina oxide ceramics are made to precise tolerances and provide superior support and guidance for the blade to better control blade flutter and blade deflection. These advanced alumina ceramics enable a blade to run smoother, cooler, and considerably quieter than other guide types. With proper use, they will last for years, and they prolong blade life by 30%. Norwood's custom-molded water reservoir with wide port opening and tethered cap enables easy refilling. Water flow can be set to suit your preference. Water automatically starts flowing to the blade when you activate the operator control. Water flows directly onto the blade at the point of entry into the log. Water flow automatically stops when you release the operator control. The Lumbermate is designed to mill boards to within 1 inch of the bed. Mill 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, 2x10s. You can flat saw, quarter saw, resaw, resize, and to maximize board yield, group flitches of similar size for edging. Norwood's smooth-cutting, thin-kerf silicone steel blades mean you get a maximum of lumber and a minimum of sawdust. Mill veneer as thin as 1/16 of an inch, or large customized square beams. You can mill exactly what you want, when you want. The Lumber Pro is always in stock and can be shipped immediately to your door. This means you get your mill in days, not weeks. The Lumber Pro is shipped in knockdown form. This saves you hundreds of shipping dollars. The assembly will take less time and is simpler than you may think. Included in your operator's manual are complete step-by-step instructions, photos, illustrations, and exploded views. The assembly is a very valuable, knowledgeable, and fully understand the sawmill and all its functions. For customers who wish to skip this step, Norwood can arrange assembly at a reasonable cost. The Lumber Pro is backed by our 2-year warranty, lifetime toll-free telephone support, and our 30-day money-back guarantee. The Lumber Pro is an easy-to-use manual mill with many useful accessories and features that can make it a commercial-duty mill. The Lumber Pro can be transported from site to site using the optional trailer package. The trailer comes complete with full-size wheels, quick-release fenders, retractable and removable tow bar for security, double carriage clamps, and leveling jacks. Setup time is 5 minutes. For stationary milling operations, the Lumber Pro comes standard with a set of 10 adjustable leveling stands. Add extra length to your log deck with quick connect bed extensions to temporarily extend your bed. These are ideal for milling longer logs on trailer-equipped Lumber Pros. Load even the biggest logs onto the log deck by yourself with the optional log loading system and ramps. It makes log loading, clamping, and turning an effortless task for one-man milling operations. Rotate logs by hand and assisted by rollers built into the log rests. Or use the time-saving hook rotating feature of the loader system. This makes for effortless rotating of large logs while holding the log firmly. For speed and convenience, use the off rollers. Lumber and slabs can be quickly directed away from the mill. The rollers are easily moved into position or out of position as required. Use the Norwood roller toe boards for log taper compensation. Raising the small end of the log to compensate for taper will increase lumber yield. The Norwood roller toe boards make log repositioning easy too. Now available from Norwood is a unique device that enables rapid cycle times of logs from 6 inches to 16 inches in diameter. This patented device allows the operator to easily rotate and dog medium-sized logs by hand. No tools required. The time to square a 10-inch log 8 feet in length will take less than 2 minutes. There is no faster system than this. This rapid dogging device is particularly useful in geographic regions that primarily have small and medium-sized logs. The rapid dog device can quickly be installed on any Norwood band mill. For super-fast cycle times and easy handling of medium-sized logs, combine together the Rapid Dog with the log rest actuators and auto dogs. All 3 of these time-saving devices together make easy work for the operator. Lap siding and shingles can be milled directly on all Norwood band mills using the lap siding and shingle jig. In the lap siding configuration, boards can be milled down to a feather edge or any taper of your choice. The lap siding jig is simple to operate and can be instantly changed over for shingle making. One unit enables 2 shingles to be made on each pass. Add a second or third unit to double or triple shingle production. The Lumber Pro can be fitted with your choice of powered or hydraulic features at any time. They can be added to a newly purchased mill, or they can be added years later. The log loader arms are designed for easy removal for safe trailering. This same quick connect system enables a fast 3-minute setup. Other hydraulic features are a dual direction hydraulic log turner, hydraulic vertical log rests, a 4-direction log dog, roller toe boards and log repositioner, as well as a board return device. A pendant power carriage feeds with chain drive system and an adjustable speed control is available. The controller is magnetized to hold fast wherever it's placed. The hydraulic log loader enables loading of logs up to 3,500 pounds. Safe for log taper and are also used for log repositioning. The toe boards enable sawing more parallel to the grain for additional lumber yield. When using the log turner, logs are raised and then rotated to obtain the best position for milling. With the speed adjuster integrated into the handheld controller, forward speeds are easily adjusted on the go. The optional board return feature enables faster cycle times for solo operators. The powered carriage and powered saw head are packaged together as one single option. The hydraulic log dog and hydraulic log rests are also available as a single combined option. All other hydraulic features, log loader, log turner, and toe boards are available individually or in any combination. In this way, you need only purchase the features you require now, while knowing they will still be available to add as your business grows or your budget allows. Norwood owners know they can easily upgrade their existing mills, where other mill brand owners will always lose money when forced to trade in or sell their old manual machines. With Norwood's incremental upgradability, the Lumber Pro owners lose no money when they need to add extra features and labor-saving options. For the final squaring cut, the four-way acting log dog is used to manipulate and rotate the cant, thereby preventing corner tear-outs of the squared timber. Norwood mills are best known for their money-saving kit construction, but Norwood also offers fully assembled mills or even partially assembled mills. It can be your choice. At Norwood, we constantly strive to meet the changing needs of our customers. This is why all Norwood accessories can be added at any time, when you are ready for them. You are never forced to make a decision up front and then have to live with it. This means your initial investment is safe, and you can upgrade at any time from a manual Lumber Pro to one equipped with hydraulics and power. Norwood is the only company capable of growing with your needs in this way. We promise